there who can irresistibly attract any woman they want. And there are men who spend half of their lives chasing girls and wondering what these men possess that they don't. This is not any special skill they were born with. They are simply using the very power in the universe that can attract everything towards itself, personal magnetism. But how do they possess this power that the majority of men don't? It is simple to decipher this mystery. You only need to understand some ground rules that will make you a magnet for women. There is a very wrong conception among men that only those with high social status, wealth, and extroverts can attract women like a magnet. It is not true. You can also attract any woman you want. Know this, attracting women has nothing to do with being a wealthy playboy or an extrovert. I've seen introverts with bizarre personas attract even upper-class women. But you must first understand the fundamental rules that will transform your existence into a powerful force that no one can resist. Let me educate you on several things that you must embrace to unleash the power of personal magnetism. Number 1. Make her feel important. As human beings, we all want to be valued and feel good about ourselves. Women are somehow more sensitive in this case. When she feels that she's being valued by a guy, she starts respecting him, and her brain forces her to show some gratitude. In doing so, she will subconsciously submit to you. However, everything you tell her to make her feel important should be genuine. Do not act like a simp by uttering nonsense, because when you make her feel that way, she will start thinking about being around a guy who values her and makes her feel good about herself. But when she realizes it was just a lie, you will break her heart and trust. You can make her feel important in many ways, such as listening to her with undivided attention, valuing her opinions, and giving her enough conversation space to share even her deep secrets with you. When you go out to a restaurant, opening a car door won't make you less important but will increase your aura of attraction. You can compliment her on different things. If she dresses well, compliment her dressing sense. Number 2. Act mature. Women want men, not boys. A lot of men make this mistake of acting like desperate boys who would do anything to please her. But the truth is the opposite. The more you act maturely, the more she will crave you. When you act maturely, you radiate strong energy that gravitates their attention. Understand this, men peak their attractiveness when they act with strong, confident, and mature behavior. Men redefine behavior as the key to increasing their charm. When you know how to behave maturely in a relationship, in a formal meeting, or in hangouts, people start to notice the change. When you do not become needy or desperate, she will understand that you are not giving her exaggerated attention and value, and she will respect that. Acting needy will make her think you are approaching her only to satiate your sexual desires. But when you are more refined around her and treat her as if she's just a normal girl on your calendar, she will be forced to think that you are not needy nor desperate for her attention. The other thing women crave about mature men is seeing things realistically. Immature men see the world with their delusional perspective, but they can't uphold it when they face reality. On the other hand, mature men are always ready to face reality, no matter how dark and desperate the situation seems. They don't give up, and that's what women want in men. Number 3. Approach her with confidence. Many men in the modern world hesitate to approach a woman with confidence, which eventually leads to disappointments. But know this, a woman loves a man who can approach her confidently and be open to her. One of the main reasons most men hesitate while approaching a woman is that they think she's more beautiful, attractive, and perfect in every sense. Understand this, by doing so, you not only downgrade yourself but also put her on a pedestal. Just because you are giving her exaggerated value, she thinks of herself as some sort of goddess. Do not put her on a pedestal of high value. Instead, maintain a fine line of balance. Know that she is also a human, just like you. She also has flaws and insecurities. You can exude your confidence in many ways while approaching her. When approaching her, make sure your first thing should be giving her a warm smile. By doing so, you make her feel comfortable around you. Use strong eye contact when talking to her. When you constantly look down, she will start feeling uncomfortable in your company. Your eyes say pretty much everything. While talking to a woman, always use good eye contact. Your body language and the way you talk also play an important role in the process. Number 4. Stay focused on your goal. A man's success is always parallel to his self-development, and that development is attractive to women. You can only become attractive when you develop into the kind of person you want to be to attract women. If your goal is to become a company owner, becoming an employee won't get you what you want. To attract women, you must first reach your higher potential. When you become a man who is focused on his goals, you start to create a life of purpose, and women crave that life. Understand this, women won't even come close to you if you have no aim or goal in life. Women want a man who can take care of himself and then her in every area of life. To become a magnet for women, start leveling up your life and be a high-value man, not just an average Joe. That's how she will be drawn to your persona. By following these rules, from making her feel important to acting mature and staying focused in your life, you can set yourself apart. By practicing these principles, you will become a magnet to any woman in no time. If you find this insightful, please hit the subscribe button to become a part of our community and receive regular tips, advice, and insights on how to enhance your charisma, build meaningful connections, and attract the women you desire. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your dating life and become the best version of yourself. Thanks for watching.